Alright, so in this video I will show you the simple way to cut or split your video clip and also deleting the part you don't want in your video. Okay, so let's dive in. We are going to use ucut to achieve this. So this is ucut over here. So click on the app, then let it load. Alright, so after it load finish, then click on this plus icon here, okay, and click on new project, then import the video you want. Okay, yeah, so this is the video I want to use. I'll just click on it, then I'll click on the arrow here. Yeah, so the video has been imported to my timeline. Okay, so this is the video editing timeline. All right, so if you want to, let's say that this is the part, let me slide. Yeah, let's say that this is the part I started to talk. Okay, so I want to cut part that place that I didn't do anything. Okay, that silent part in my video, so I want to cut it out. Okay, because it will be boring that people want to watch your video. They will, in certain places they will see a pause there or a silence. This is how you trim it or cut it out. Okay, so click on the video clip over here, then you can hold this place, you can hold the edge, this edge, this red edge here. Okay, just hold it, then slide, then move it to the part you don't want. Okay, so are you seeing what I'm doing? It was here before. All right, so I now shift it to this red line. Okay, this is this red grade line, this thing. So I have gotten now that part I don't want. So there are two ways in doing this, by trimming or splitting and delete. Okay, so I'll undo, then let me show you how to split and edit. I'll slide it through, then let's say that this is the part. Okay, so to split and edit, make sure you tap on the video clip. Okay, because if you not tap on it, you will not see the corresponding to. All right, so tap on it like this. I have, then click on split over here. So once you click on split, then tap the one you don't want. So this is the one we don't want here, this first video clip. You see the video is now two, it has been divided, it has been splitted. Okay, so tap on the one you don't want, then slide to the corresponding to and click on delete. So you have deleted the part you don't want. So you can achieve this by trimming or split and delete. Okay, so in this trimming part, it's usually used to cut parts a short point or a short moment in a video that you don't want. Okay, while the split and delete is used to cut a long form, a long video clip. Okay, so let's say that the place I want to cut is from here to this place, so when I'm trimming it, it will be difficult for me. But if I want to do it in a simple way, I'll just tap on it and click on split, then tap on the one I don't want, which is the first one, and tap on delete. This is very simple. Okay, so while deleting a long part in your video clip, use split and delete. Okay, that will make it easier than for you to hold this edge and be dragging it through. You might miss the place you want to cut off. If you found value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more content tips like this. Okay, all right.